Welcome to Fascinating Facts, the channel that brings you intriguing stories and fascinating facts from around the world. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of history's unsolved mysteries. History has always been full of enigmas that have puzzled and fascinated people for centuries. From ancient artifacts to mysterious disappearances, there are countless unsolved mysteries that continue to baffle historians and enthusiasts alike. So, sit back, relax, and join us as we explore some of the most interesting unsolved mysteries of history. From lost civilizations to unexplained phenomena, we'll take you on a journey of discovery that's sure to captivate your imagination. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. And if you find any of the facts interesting or informative, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Let's get started and uncover the secrets of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. The Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript is a handwritten book, written in an unknown language or code, that has stumped scholars for centuries. The text is accompanied by illustrations that depict strange and unidentified plants, animals, and celestial objects. Despite numerous attempts to decipher the manuscript, it remains one of history's most fascinating unsolved mysteries. The disappearance of the Roanoke Colony in 1587, 115 colonists arrived on the island of Roanoke, located off the coast of what is now North Carolina. However, when a supply ship arrived 3 years later, the entire colony had vanished without a trace. The only clue was the word croton carved into a tree, leaving historians to speculate what happened to the lost colony. The Antikythera Mechanism. The Antikythera Mechanism is a complex, ancient Greek device that has been called the world's first computer. The device, which was discovered in the early 1900s, is believed to have been created around 100 BCE and has been studied for decades. Despite this, the purpose and function of the Antikythera Mechanism are still not fully understood. The Zodiac Killer. The Zodiac Killer was a serial killer who terrorized Northern California in the late 1960s and early 1970s. The killer sent taunting letters to local newspapers, each signed with a symbol of the zodiac. Despite numerous investigations and suspects, the identity of the Zodiac Killer remains a mystery to this day. The Mary Celeste. The Mary Celeste was a British-American merchant ship that was discovered drifting in the Atlantic Ocean in 1872. The crew of the ship was missing, but their personal belongings and supplies were still on board. Despite extensive investigations, no one knows what happened to the crew of the Mary Celeste. And there you have it, 5 of the most interesting unsolved mysteries from history. These mysteries have intrigued and baffled people for centuries, and while some have been researched extensively, they remain unsolved to this day. Which of these mysteries do you find the most intriguing? Do you have any theories or ideas about what might have happened? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about fascinating facts and unsolved mysteries from history, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.